today we are featuring fried fish. Now, these are the ingredients. We have some red fish over here, cut in chunks or sticks. We also have seafood seasoning. We have some chicken bouillon, and we have our own seasoned flour. But what we're going to do is season the flour. You also have to season your flour. So you season your meat as well as your flour, and then put in a little bit chicken bouillon. We're going to do the same. We're going to add the rest of the bouillon to the seasoned flour. This is this is seafood seasoning, but if you don't have seafood seasoning, you can use all-purpose seasoning. Alright, so what we're going to do is to pat dry our fish. You have to pat it dry so it doesn't steam in the oil or splatter all over the place. You have to pat it dry real good. When you're baking, it's the same process. Alright. This is how you identify red fish with the black mark on the tail. The fish being thorough and washed. We wash it twice. So it's clean, very clean. Alright. What we're going to do in order to develop better flavor, we're going to have some score marks on the fish. I'm going to score it about two slits. This helps the seasoning penetrate and flavor the fish very well. I think we got one big score mark on this. The heads, we're not going to worry about it. Now, some people don't mess with the head, so you don't have to. We Africans, that's a delicacy for us. Got some bone in there. All right, so now, so now we're going to season the fish and allow it to marinate for about half an hour before we fry it. So just go like this. Open that. Make sure you open the cracks. Put a little seasoning in there. Season the cut area. Just liberally season. Modest. Open the cavity, the slit area. Anywhere that is exposed, put some seasoning. All right. Okay, so now the fish is seasoned. Like I said, we'll set it aside and let it marinate. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the seasoning into the flour. Okay, friends, now welcome back. As before we left you, we seasoned the fish to marinate. It's been marinating for about 45 minutes now. So we'll go ahead and fry it. Okay, so before we do it, we need to check the heat of the oil if it's ready. And the best way to do it, you use a chopstick or even a wooden spoon. Insert it in the middle of the skillet and see. You see some bubbles coming around, that means it's good to go. You see the bubbles? Yeah, that means it's good to go. That's your indication. Or you can use meat thermometer. Alright, so now I'm gonna run the fish through the flour. One side. just a light coat. You don't need to coat it so heavily like the way you do fried chicken. Just a little light coat. Alrighty. Now, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And those that are my returning customers, thanks for coming back as well. Always, I thank you for your support. All right, so we're gonna start frying. Alright, we don't want to overcrowd the oil, so we'll just fry about 4 or 5 at a time, and we'll let it go. Alright, the fish been frying for about 8 to 10 minutes now, so we'll flip it to the other side. Okay, so now we've been frying for about 21 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pick it up. Okay, so now we'll turn off our fire. We've been frying for about 22 minutes. It's done. So it was on medium high. So we take it out. It is nice and golden. It's smelling good. Smelling real good over here. Let's look at it. Nice. And it looks very juicy. That's how you want it. Alright. We are done. So this is our finished product. It looks so good and delicious. It looks real good. Yep. Fried fish. Okay, let me get a little taste here. This tastes good. Tastes real good. Alright, friends, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, like, and give me a thumbs up. Bon appetit.